if n is a natural number, then for how many values of n does the number n square plus 16n plus 163 have odd number of factors? From the number theory, I know numbers are only perfect square. If a number is a perfect square, only then it has odd number of factors. So if a number is having odd number of factors, I can say it's a perfect square. And vice versa is also true. If a number is perfect square, I can say it will have odd number of factors. So it is given that n is a natural number, then for how many values of n, this number that is n square plus 16n plus 163 will be a this number will have odd number of factors. If this number have odd number of factors, so I can say this number would be a perfect square. This number would be a perfect square. So rewriting this, or the writing it, I can write this number as, or this expression as, n plus 8 whole square plus 99 is equal to, it must be equal to some perfect square. Or take n plus 8 whole square to this side, I can say 99 is equal to p square minus n plus 8 whole square. So I have to find the number of ways in which 99 can be represented as difference of two squares. So I am assuming it as a and it as b. It as a and it as b. I have b square minus a square is equal to 99. Using the identity, I can write it as product of two numbers. B plus a, b minus a is equal to how much? 99. So I have to break 99 into two numbers such that the product of these two numbers is 99. So one is 1 and 99. Second is 3 into 33. And third combination is 9 into 11. Now take the value of b plus a as 99. If in this case, if b plus a is 99 and b minus a, let's just write b plus a as b plus a here and b minus a here. If b plus a, I am taking b plus a as 99, b minus a as 1. So in this case, b and a becomes how much? If I add these two equations, so b becomes 50 and a becomes, if I subtract 99 minus 1, that is 98 divided by 2, 49. If b plus a is 33, I get b minus a as 3, I get b as 18 and a as 50. And in this case, it becomes b plus a is 11, b minus a is 9. So this is 10 and this is 1. Now I have assumed n plus a at as a. So I am getting only three values of a, that n plus 8 is equal to 49 or n plus 8 is equal to 15 or n plus 8 is equal to 1, which is not possible because n is a natural number and sum of natural number and 8 would be always greater than 8. So it cannot be possible. Now for n plus 8 is equal to 49, I get n as 41. And for n plus 8 is equal to 15, I get n as 7. So for these two values of n, that is 41 and 7, this number will have odd number of factors. So correct answer to this question is how many values of n? For two values of n, this is possible.